Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to teach you how to get rid of that smell in your garbage disposal. There are a bunch of different products on the market to help you keep your disposal clean. Some of them are a foaming agent, others are a little drop that you put inside the disposal, but for me, what works the best is a toilet brush and a really good cleaner. What I like to do is take that toilet brush and put it down into the disposal. Of course, the disposal is off. And then you take a little bit of the cleaner and pour it over the top of the brush. And then you start scrubbing. You want to work in a circular motion to clean the side walls of the disposal and pay very close attention to the underside of the rubber gasket of the disposal. You want to get that as clean as possible. And once you spend a few minutes doing that, when you're all done, go ahead and turn the faucet on and rinse it away. This type of deep cleaning, in my opinion, should be done every 2 to 3 months to help maintain your disposal so it doesn't smell. And that's it. If you'd like more advice, please go to our website, acehardware.com, and follow us on our YouTube channel. Or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.